Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Roblox error code 277 network issue. So while playing the Roblox game and you encounter the error message and the error code 277 network issue, then quit the Roblox game. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. And if restarting works for you, then good. But if not, you need to move the next methods. The second method is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Then here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button. So let me tell you about the network and internet troubleshooter. So this will let you or help you spot and detect the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try running the troubleshooter, and then after that, if the solutions and fixes helped you given by it, then good. But if not, then you need to move to the next methods. But I still suggest that try the network and internet troubleshooter. Click on your Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar, and then if you have a multiple Wi-Fi networks at home or at your place, then try switching to any other Wi-Fi networks that will work for you. So if you have mobile data, any other Wi-Fi networks, then try switching as to what network will work for you. So also try on that. Then we can also flash the DNS. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type IP config space forward slash flash DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit, hit enter. Then we can also change the DNS or use the Google's DNS. But once you flash the DNS, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Roblox game. And if this is working this time, then we can also change the DNS. So in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, click on that under the best match. Now here you'll find Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, the process is just the same. Just make a right click and then select properties. The Wi-Fi properties will be up. Now you have to click on the IPv4. Click on properties. Then the IPv4 properties will be up. Then here you will find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and close the remaining windows. Then we also need to make sure that the Windows is updated. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows that can also fix the issue. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application to have a fresh start for the application on you. So in the Windows search bar right here, type installed apps, click on it under the best match. Then simply search for Roblox in the search bar. Click on these three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now this is uninstalling the Roblox application. Now once uninstalled, we need to open and bring up any of our favorite browsers. I'm going to open the Edge browser. Just do the same process on your favorite browser. Type here Roblox download, hit enter. And you'll find here from the official website of Roblox, www.roblox.com. Click on download Roblox. Then here simply click on download Windows app. Now the installer file will be downloaded. Click on that and then close the Edge browser. And now this will reinstall Roblox for us. So let's just wait for this. And now the application has been reinstalled into our window. So once you have signed out into your account or signed in into your account, then you can just simply enjoy playing the Roblox game. So that's it. If any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.